Hello world, I'm Le Gourmet du Monde, and today we're going to unbox 3 French cheeses. They're not cheap by any means, but totally worth it if you can afford it. This cheese is a Camembert from the Normandy region, which, with a very distinctive aroma, will flood your kitchen if not careful. While not the most pungent of Camemberts, this one certainly packs a flavorful punch while still being subtle. You're mostly going to smell it rather than taste it. If you're new to cheeses, this can be compared to a more flavorful brie. That's generally the way I like thinking about it. The texture is a smooth paste with chalky rind that's a great mix of salty and umami, which will go well with a milder flavor of beverages such as Zinfandel, pale ale, or a dry cider. I found this at a local market, so this should be widely available and you should be able to find it. Next, we have the Comté Extra Grand Cru, an unpasteurized cheese with cow's milk from the Franche-Comté region. This is hard to find in the US due to FDA regulations with the raw milk. Also, this is my favorite of the 3 cheeses because as soon as you bite into it, there's this burst of wonderful flavor. So rich and complex, the best way to really compare this would be a reminiscence of a umami nutty caramel. The paste is nice and firm with a very strong rind. One thing I would like to point out is that since this cheese has been aged for 36 months, it's formed these cheese crystals, better known as tyrosine and calcium lactate. This would pair well with a Belgian triple or a saison. Go for a darker red, like a Pinot Noir, and a more robust, sweeter cider. Finally, we have a cheese called Brebis du Haut-Bearn. This comes from the Pyrenees region and is an unpasteurized sheep's milk cheese. One really cool fact about this cheese is that they're made in a cave built into the former stables of Château du Portu, home of Isaac Portal, French Guard, and Musketeer. And yes, one of those musketeers. It's a smooth, firm paste to this cheese, with a subtle nutty notes and a very strong rind. Speaking to that, the rind is very pungent compared to the paste, both of which have very distinct different tastes to them. A good liquid pairing would be a dry cider, blonde ale, or a Chardonnay. I'm posting the links down below so you may find these cheeses if you're so inclined. The last 2 I bought from Formaggio Kitchen, which I highly recommend as they are an amazing cheese importer. If you'd like to see anything specific in this channel, please let me know below in the comment section, along with hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and bon appetit!